Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add mega menu in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website, and to add mega menu you need to get this plugin. Just you can go divilife.com, and here you can see this is the plugin. Price is for single site $24, for 3 sites here you can see, and unlimited sites. Now let me log in into my website. And after that let's install new plugin. Just we need to upload plugin file. So let me select the plugin. Alright, this is the plugin file, and after that here we can upload plugin file. Make sure that your file is in zip format. And now plugin is installed. Just activate this plugin. Okay, now here you can see on the left side, just we can add new. For example, I want to display some products in the mega menu, product 1, and after that here we can select this layout, no sidebar. Then click here publish. Okay, now let's view this product and enable Divi Fuel Builder. Then here let's start from scratch. And after that here we can add some products. Search for Woo products. Alright. Then here we can select 3-column layout for the products. And then product count I set 3. Then after that here I can remove section padding, so just add 0 from the top and bottom. Then here you can add the background color if you want. After that click here save. Then let's go back, scroll down, and here you can see mega menu unique class. Just you can copy this class, and after that go in the menu, and here in shop we can add this class. Just add here, and here we can remove this one or just keep it. Then click save menu. Now let's visit website and see if it works. Now let's go on the shop. Here you can see it's working fine. In this way you can easily add mega menu in your Divi WordPress website.